Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful features of Microsoft Excel, which is working with multiple worksheets. Whether you are managing a big project or you are working and analyzing complex data, mastering this feature will make your work much easier. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to link data between different sheets. For example, here we have summary sheet, then we have the data sheet 1, and then we have data sheet 2. Now in the summary sheet, here in the B2 cell, I want to link this cell with the B2 cell which is in the data sheet 1. So whatever the value is here, I want to automatically receive that same value here. So what I can do is simply write an equal sign, then go to the data sheet 1 and then select the cell B2 from here. Then hit the enter key. As simple as that. You can see that I have linked these two sheets. Now, let's copy this formula and paste it in these two other cells also. You can see that when I double click on it, it will add as a reference equal sign data sheet 1 exclamation mark B3. So it will add the value of B3 in here. And also in the next one, you can see that it's B4. It will give you the value which is in B4 in the data sheet 1 sheet. So let's suppose here in data sheet 1, we will change one value. For example, here we have product being 4,000. Let's change it to 2,000. Then hit the enter key. Now when I go to the summary, it automatically updates and shows us the value that is in the data sheet 1. Linking data is great if you want to keep everything in your data sheets interconnected. But what if you want to consolidate data from multiple sheets into one sheet? For that, we have an option called Consolidate. Let's suppose here we have the summary. Let's delete these values from here. From data sheet 1 and from data sheet 2, I want to sum these cells and add it into the summary. So for that, let's go to the data tab here. In the data tools group, here we have an option called Consolidate. Click on Consolidate option. Here a dialog box will pop up. In the first part, we have the function. In the function, we have sum, count, average, max, minimum. Any function that we want, we can select from here. For now, let's choose sum because I want to find the sum of sales from the data sheet 1 and data sheet 2 and then display it into summary sheet. Then we have the reference. In the reference, we have to select the range of data that we want to sum from other sheets. Now let's go to reference here. Go to the data sheet 1, select the range of sales that you want to sum with the values in the other sheets. Then click on add here. One reference from one sheet is added. Now let's go and add the reference of values from the other sheet. Again, erase it. Go to the data sheet 2. Here we have the range of cells. Select these cells, then add. Now you can see that we have the reference for data sheet 1 and data sheet 2. Then click on OK. Now in the summary, you can see that in the sales we have 2,700, 4,200 and 6,800, which are the sum of values from data sheet 1 and data sheet 2. For example, in data sheet 1 we have product B 2,000, in data sheet 2 we have product B 2,200. The sum of both will be 4,200. And there you have it. With linking and consolidating data between multiple sheets, you can analyze your data and you can manage your data more effectively. But remember, that's just the beginning. In Excel, you can do much more than this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.